Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our online class. Today we will discuss about the next topic of this chapter, fundamental operations related to algebra. Subtraction of algebraic expression. In last class we have discussed about addition, how we can add to the given algebraic expression, two or more algebraic expression by column method and horizontal method. Okay students, in the same way we will subtract, or we can subtract two algebraic expression by using the column method or horizontal method. Okay students, see, like number we will subtract, we subtract the number using the method, column or horizontal method. Same way we can subtract the given algebraic expression. See here how we can subtract. Suppose given subtract 4x from 6x. From 6x. See here both are like term. So like term you can easily subtract or add, but a like term you cannot be subtract or add. Okay, means a like term cannot be added or subtracted. So here how can you subtract? Subtract 4x from 6x. So you write first 6x minus 4x. Means negative of 4x. You write the negative of 4x. Means minus 4x. Then again common out literals x and subtract only coefficient 6 minus 4, 2x. Okay students, clear? Suppose you want to subtract 2 unlike term, 3ab subtract from 2a square. Can you subtract? No, not possible. Only subtraction is possible for two like terms. So simply you can write 2a square minus 3ab. Okay students, clear? Same way we can subtract the given expression or algebraic expression by using column method. Suppose here you can subtract this 6x minus 4x by column method. See here x, 6 minus 4, 2x. Two pair of expression is given. Subtract 3x plus 2y from 4x minus 5y. Subtract this from this. So either by column method, either by horizontal method you can subtract this. So first write the first term or first expression, 4x minus 5y. Then if you are using column method, then write here below this expression the first one, 3x plus 2y. Now here write minus sign. Now how can you use this column method? Here write minus sign because here you have to subtract. Then again here you will write this sign opposite to given sign, this way. Opposite to given sign. यहाँ sign दिया है, उसको opposite sign यहाँ लगाएंगे, change करेंगे. Clear? Now both see 5 and 2 both becomes negative. So 5 plus 2, 7y, and 4 minus 3, 4 is positive, minus 3, 1. So here x minus 7y. X minus 7y. Either here you can solve this one horizontal way. 4x minus 5y minus of 3x minus of 2y. Like term 4x minus 3x, x, 5y, 2y, minus plus 7y, xy minus x minus 7y. Okay students, now we will proceed to the exercise. How we can use the horizontal and column method for the subtraction of two algebraic expressions. See here exercise second B. Exercise second B First question, which part? Suppose fifth one. Fifth part you will solve. Okay, now we have to solve. Subtract 7x square y from minus 9x square y. See here, literals are same, means like term. So easily you can subtract 9x square y minus negative this number 7x square y. Now see, both are negative, so easily both will be added. So 9 plus 7 minus 9 minus 7 common literals. 9 7 16. 16 y 16x square y. Last question, one more. Ninth one, subtract minus 12xyz from 0. From 0. So how can you subtract? By using horizontal method. 0 minus of minus 12xyz. So 0 minus minus becomes plus 12xyz. So it will become 12xyz. Okay students, now next second question, one I will tell, next we will solve, 8 out you can ask in next class. Second, again I will tell. Fourth one, subtract minus 6 square plus 3x from 8x square minus 9 by horizontal method. So first we write 8x square minus 9 minus of minus 6 square plus 3x. Now 8x square minus 9 minus sign will operate on this minus sign and this plus sign. So what? The sign will change. When you open the bracket, the sign will change because out of the bracket minus sign will be given. So it will affect the internal sign, means sign inside the bracket. So minus minus plus, then again minus plus minus. Now 8x square plus 6 square, 8 plus 6 14x square. Here 3x no more given, same term, means this like term. So minus 3x, now constant term 9. Okay, 14x square minus 3x minus 9. Now third question. This is the second fourth part. Third question. One part I will tell. Subtract the following using column method. Using column method. Suppose we have to subtract fifth one. Minus 3ab plus 4bc minus 6ca from 2ab plus 13bc plus 6ca. Subtract this expression from this. So first we have to write the second one using column method. 2ab plus 13bc plus 6ca. Now write the second term, minus 3ab plus 4bc minus 6ca. And be careful, write the like term below the like term. AB below AB, BC below BC, CA below C. Means like term के नीचे आप like term ही लिखेंगे. Clear? Okay? In column method, like we do in horizontal method. First we will write like term together, na? Same here. Like term, we will write the like term below the like term. Now subtract. When you subtract, the sign will change. Sign क्या होगा? Change. तो यहाँ पे second expression का sign क्या है? Minus plus minus. So this sign will change. जो second expression है, उसका sign change होगा. Okay? So here becomes plus, here minus, again plus. Now see here, plus plus plus. 6 6 12 CA plus minus 30 minus 4 9 plus 9 BC plus plus is also plus 3 2 5 5 A B. Okay students, here 5 AB plus 9 BC plus 12 CA plus 12 CA Okay. Now next one. So in this way you use the column method. Fourth question. Any doubt you can ask. Rest of the part you will solve. Fourth question again we will solve with the using column method. Fourth, I will tell you last one. 7. Subtract. Question you will see in the book. Okay, what is given? Subtract 5x square minus 6x cube y plus 7x square y square minus 8xy square minus 19y power 4 from this. 3x power 4 plus 5x square y square minus 12y power 4. Okay, subtract this. 6xy cube, sorry, 6x cube y plus 7x square y square minus 8xy square minus 19y power 4 from 3x power 4 7x square, sorry, 3x power 4 plus 5x square y square minus 12y power 4. Clear? So we will write here second term first. 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square y square minus 12y power 4. Now write the second term and be careful. You have to write, or you will write the like term near the like term. So here x power 4. X power 4 here given. 5x power 4. Now here x square y square term is given, here given. So plus 7x square y square. Now y power 4 is given, here given. Minus 19y power 4. Okay. Now rest अपन we write here. Minus 6x cube y. यहाँ लिखेंगे. And what is left? Minus 8xy square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now subtract. Then what you will do? Sign will change. So here plus, here plus, here plus, here minus, and again here minus. Okay, students? Here? Now here 8xy square plus 6x cube y. Now here see 12, 19. To 12 minus and 19 plus. 19 minus 12, how much? 7y power 4. Now here 5 plus 7 minus 7 minus 2 x square y square. Now again here plus, here minus. So again minus 2 x power 4. X power 4. 2x to power 4. Fourth last question. Answer 2x power 4 minus, then minus 2x square y square, then plus 8x y square, 8x y square. Okay. Now plus 7y power 4. 7y power 4. And then 6 2x square y square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6x cube y. Clear, students? So in this way you will subtract by using horizontal method. Rest of the part you will solve it out. You can ask in the next class. Now next question. Fifth one. See. Fifth question, what is given? How much larger this from this? ये किससे कितना बड़ा है? So you will subtract here. You will subtract. How much larger this from this? ये कितना बड़ा है ना? How much larger? Suppose I am asking how much larger 7 from 2? 2 से 7 कितना बड़ा है? What you will do? 7 minus 2 ना? 7 minus 2. So how much larger is this than this? So you write 11x cube minus 5x square plus 3. Okay. And minus, what you write? Here 6x cube and plus 7x. So plus 7x are not given in first one, you write here. Then subtract. So here sign change of all 7x. How much is larger than this? ये इससे कितना बड़ा है? So what you do? Subtract this from this, not this from this. आप इससे इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो हियर सी प्लस माइनस साइन चेंज whatever you want you can write this one minus 7x here minus 7x. Okay, now again here what is given, sign will not change, no? So here no need to write the sign, here plus sign is given already, no need to write sign. Plus 3. Okay, now here again plus 5x square, what 5x square minus here 5x square. Either you can write solve this one by using the what horizontal method. Subtract what 6x cube plus 7x plus 7x. This is easy for you as compared to column method. So 11x cube 5x square plus 3 minus 6x cube minus 7x. 11x cube 6x cube. Subtract 11 minus 6 5x cube. X square here no more term given, so that we can write 5 square. Now 7x here and plus 3. Okay, here. So in this we solve some more questions that is given in your book. 6th one, how much smaller is this than this? कितना छोटा है? Then you will subtract reverse order में. 8a square minus b square minus of this you will write. What? 5a square minus 7ab minus plus 9b square. He is asking how much is smaller? How much smaller is this from this? ये इससे कितना छोटा है? So you subtract this from second term. First term को second term से subtract करेंगे. Clear? Okay. So we solve this one. 8a square minus b square minus 5a square. Sign will change when we open the bracket. Plus 7ab minus 9b square. 8a square 5a square. 3a square minus b square minus 9b square minus 10b square minus add plus. Now what is left? Only plus 7ab plus 7ab. Okay. Say then solve 7th one. How much should be subtracted from this? You will get this. इससे इसे कितना subtract किया जाए? Suppose I am asking how should be subtracted from 10? You will get 7. So what I will do? Suppose you have to find this x value, so you will transfer 10 minus 7. You will write 10 minus 7. Okay. You will write 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. Same here. What you will write? You will write in 8th question or 7th question. 3ab minus 4bc plus abc minus 2ab plus 3bc 3abc plus 1. Solve this, you will get the answer. Okay, students. Same next question. How much should be added to this to get this? Suppose I am telling you how much should be added to x, you will get 3. Sorry, you will get 30. You will get 30. 10 में कितना ऐड किया जाए कि 30 मिल जाए? So what you will do? X is equal to 30 minus 10. Now you will subtract second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. तब second term क्या दिया हुआ है? Y square plus y plus 1 minus 8y cube minus 3y minus 4. Okay. Subtract this one, you will get the answer. How will you subtract? See here, y square plus y plus 1 minus sign will change. 8y cube plus 3y plus 4 plus 4. So what is the answer here? Y square, no more term is given in y square. So generally you can write this. What? How? Here I am writing y square minus 8y cube. Now y 3y, 4y and 4 and 1 5. 4 and 1 5. You can write this in order. Minus 8y cube plus y square plus 4y plus 5. Okay. This is the order of power. Power category is called right category. Okay. Clear? So क्या करेंगे? Power category is called right category. Okay. Students, minus 8y cube y square 4y plus 5. Clear? So in this way, solve the questions this up to 8. Any doubt you can ask next class. In next class we'll discuss from 9 to 17. 9 to 17. Okay students? Clear? So try to solve this question. Subtraction of algebraic expression by using either ordinal method, either by column method. Okay? Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.